Okay, we're back at it here. I'm going to see if we can figure out why we don't have spark. All right. Next, I guess there's really no need to take the flywheel off. So I'm going to disconnect this this wire. This is your, when this grounds out, that kills your spark. So if we eliminate that, we should have spark, if that was the problem. Get something to spin that. No, that's not working. Oh, okay. I think I see a problem. Okay, so we're back in the garage. It's been a couple of days. What you saw in that last video, I was trying to spin the flywheel and check for spark. And then I heard this. And basically what happened here is somebody before me was messing with the ignition coil and it wasn't tight, which explains why it had no spark. Kind of. Actually, why it had no spark is because the coil is bad. So as you can see, I just took these two screws. These are 5/16 screws, one on each side. Coil comes off. So I've already picked up a new coil. Actually, I've already tested it, but for the sake of the video, I'll show you how to install an ignition coil on a Briggs and Stratton horizontal shaft riding mower engine. This is the kill wire. So when this grounds out, it kills the spark and shuts off the engine. So basically reverse the process of taking the old coil off. And let's get started here. Okay, so you don't want to tighten these just yet. This flywheel has magnets, and as the magnets pass by the coil, it charges the coil and makes a spark. So what you have to do is you have to have a small gap here. Basically, I take a business card, put in here, rotate this around, and once we get to that magnetic section here, should be right there. So I'm going to pull this back, slide this in. Sure. Just like that. Okay, here we go. All right, so pull that back, slide it in, then we're going to tighten the screws. You don't want to over tighten these. I don't know what the torque specs are, but it's about that much right there. All right. Now, we should have spark. Let's see if I can do this without knocking things apart, but basically I take the impact. It's on the lowest setting. I'm not trying to tighten the flywheel bolt. I just want to spin the engine. So we'll see if we have spark. All right, we have spark.